What's going on, guys? D5, it's your boy, Stunner Breezy, baby. Stunner Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a bruise. Yeah, y'all know where it come from now. Them ain't no fat girl thigh rubbing together a little that. I'm about to start a fire. I've been rubbing for about 5 minutes. Oh man, I'm crazy, man. Anyway, man, I keep messing up the intro. Man, y'all know what it is, man. Y'all see it, baby. Y'all see the best, the most known, the greatest, the most payouts ever in the history of finance. The Drip Network, the Faucet, baby. This is the best paying platform ever created, bro. Ever. There's no denying it, ever. This thing is paid out not over $1 million, not over $5 million, not over 100 million, over $1 billion. This thing is paid out. Has created over $1 billion out of thin air, out of somebody's brain, bro. Forrest pulled this out of his ass. Like, that's crazy. It's crazy to think, bro. This man just came up with this one day and it done paid out over $1 billion. That's just mind blowing, bro. Oh, and speaking of that, like, I'm seeing people, some people calling for unity and, devs to work together and all that. Yeah, everybody want to work together now, then, man, the top dog, but you got to understand, right? Just take you back. Now, Stunner got to be the historian of crypto. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take you back. When Flow first failed or whatever, wasn't no drip or nothing. Forex was, I think he came out with like Rake or something. He had a few coins that had 10x and done very well. So he came to Bank Teller. Hey, man, because Bank Teller had a bad name in these streets. Forex like, man, hey, I can revive you, you know what I'm saying, your career, whatever, your name. We can go on and, hey, I'm telling you, we can make a lot of people a lot of money, some real money. You know what I'm saying? Gave him the whole idea of drip, everything from top to bottom. Bank Teller told him, take your idea, stick it up your He didn't say that, but he told him to get the hell on. Like, no. You know what I'm saying? So, when somebody does that to you, what you supposed to do, bro? What you supposed to do? Man, Forrest went on to become, now he the best, period. You can be mad, he number one. And people they just think he's supposed to take it. He's supposed to take whatever people say and all this old kind of stuff and just take it because, you got all the money. You the number one, he's supposed to be able to take. No. You know what I'm saying? You got to know the origins of where this stuff come from. He's tried that. He tried to work with somebody. You know what I'm saying? They told him to kiss his ass. We human, bro. People are human. What's somebody told you that? What if you went to another YouTuber and, hey, man, let's collaborate with it? Man, damn your channel. Get the hell away from me. Yeah, you ain't finna be partner with him. Man, come on, man. What are we doing? And furthermore, that has never worked. Ever. In DeFi, not to a major, level. No two alpha male devs has come together and it has worked. A platform. Now, a lot of people have partnered. There's a lot of partnerships. I can go down the list. Partnership. They ain't never worked, bro. Ever. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? I can't see and tell, well, not for this reason, that reason. It just doesn't work, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like everybody in their own corner, their own teams. That, iron sharpens iron. Everybody got to try to outdo the next. You know what I'm saying? They've tried to do the next drip. They can't do it. Somebody gonna do it. They just haven't. The animal farm now is the best farm ever created. I don't think you can top that. So you got to come up with something new, but you need fresh minds. You can't have the same mind in the same little think tank because they're gonna take over, and all you're gonna get is a drip version 2. So you need new devs, new fresh, new minds to come up with stuff. Like I'm in what this thing is. What is it? Momentum. I done had 5 people send me this thing in Telegram. I couldn't use but one referral link, so I can only use one of y'all. So 4 of y'all gonna be mad. But This but the only I get stuff sent every day, and the only reason I got in this car, they showed me the chart, and they said, "All right, just going up, all right." You know, up and to the right, all right. You know what I'm saying? So I jumped into this. I be honest, I don't really know how it all work. You know what I'm saying? I be honest with you, but I throw about $1,000 in here. That's not a lot to me, so I ain't sledgehammer into this thing, man. I got in a couple days ago. I got in the Wednesday. Now I like this. I like the timestamp on this thing. I wish every platform timestamp when people got in. Cause people lie. Man, I got in day one. I've been in since. No. Let me screenshot. Let me see. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like right now. When you get in. Cause people there, you been got in New Year Day. Nah, man, I got in October. No, you didn't. You know what I'm saying? So I like that about it. But let me see. So this is how this thing works. You know, it's very simple. You know, Laxer supply, 5,000, whatever. It's a buy tax of 15%, sale tax of 18%. I'm gonna show you how to bypass that. What you do, you gotta have BUSD, right? You gotta have BUSD. Say you got $500 in BUSD. You just come here, click bonds, and do the 14-day bond. If you're gonna do it. You can do the 7-day bond, but you know, you get the 15%, no buy tax, and 7-day ROI 15%. But with the 14-day bond, you get the 15%. But you get 25% more tokens, more MAS tokens. That's what they call that token MAS. And you get a 14-day ROI of 40%. You get what I'm saying? So go on do the 14. Say it ain't gonna read your wallet. So if you got $500, you just put right here, $500, and then you click approve. It's gonna go through, and then you gotta buy it. So you gotta do 2 clicks. Click once to approve, and then click twice to buy. And that's it. And then it's gonna show up down here. Now, like I said, I only been there for a couple of days, and I already got 109. I don't know if that's MAS tokens or BUSD. I don't know. Now I like that you can claim it. So I'm in there for 14 days, vested for 14 days, but you can claim what you got. Now I don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm gonna do it. See what's gonna happen live right here. Let's see what happens. Come on now, I ain't got all day. All right, go on, give me the finger. Come on, momentum, give me the finger. So, you know, I like that. I like iron sharp as iron, bro. We don't know what the next big thing gonna be or whatever. Y'all know I'm drip for life, Animal Farm for life. That's where all my money at. But, you know, I throw a little couple dollars and see what they gonna do. Where it go? Oh, Lord, I done messed up. These folks done stole my money. I'm just kidding. Where it go? I claimed it. So wow. Where we at with it? Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, that's what they MAS tokens. So you get MAS tokens. That's what's up. I see the symbols. So I guess that is MAS. That's what's up. Let's add 108, and that's $171. Hey, that was up. Hey, man, working so far. Link will be in the description if you want to try it out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Hey, I just got in the car to chart. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, let's move on, shall we? Dang, I just thought about that. I made $171 on $1,000 that quick. But I might gotta put a little more in, you know what I'm saying? I might do a little something, you know what I mean? I don't know. But, you know the first thing I did? Let me show you this. The first thing I did, I came over here to see. Hey, they talking about some drip killer and all that. Hey, but I don't lie. Well, I be looking now, you know. I don't keep moving. But I ain't really see all that, you know what I'm saying? Like, so, you know, on the price only goes up and all that. All right. So I ain't see all that drip killer stuff. So, hey, I don't be lying. See, y'all think I be lying. Well, I don't lie. I be looking. You start that? Well, you finna get the hammer dropped on your head. Anyway, let's come over here to the, boy, oh my God. Whew, boy, y'all falling this thing deep, boy. Somebody, we got a poll in the Telegram say what the TVA gonna be by the end of the year. I say it's gonna be around 200 million. Maybe. You know, it depends. If that's a lot of money, bro. Like, even if it's 160, 70, 80, that's a lot of, bro, you know how much money this is? This is crazy, bro. Oh, but you know what I'm finna do? Oh, I almost forgot. Shout out to everybody who looked at the video and found out where I get that might step outside, might catch me a floozy. Picked out a few of y'all to get the airdrop. You know, I'm still doing airdrop, baby. You know I'm still dropping that drip on your head, baby. You see it? So if this your address is right here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can make it big. Oh, you can't even see it like that. So we going. All right. Right there. So everybody look. I'll give you time. Look. See if your address right there. See if you gonna get that 20 drip airdrop on your head just for looking at your boy. Who else is doing? Is Furio doing airdrop? The Fast Five them? No. Elephant doing airdrop? Nope. Ain't nobody doing airdrop but drip, but me. You know what I'm saying? Why, hey, best thing, a year and 7 months later, we still drop. You know how much drip out of that, man. Why? Anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? Oh, let me go around and collect my earnings and put it in that dog pound. Show you what I'm earning. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Oh, I added to my dogs beat. Remember, this was like 116 or something. I'm up 272. So I'm earning some more pig, baby. Earning some more pig. You see it. But we're gonna get into the money down here. Y'all know what we come for. I'm in that cake. I'm down here. I'm an APR whore. I'm down here with this cake. That 2 right there. Well, I got 3 right there. Let me go on and get there right quick. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's see. Come on now. Come on. Pop up. Oh, there it is. Oh, they got the loyalty score thing working. Hey, wait, they'll be Devin, what? They got the loyalty score. I think, before they got the governance thing coming. Hey, man, they'll be. Oh, while we waiting on this, check on the BNB mine. Still going, baby. What, I got 1.7. I'm finna double my BNB. Why they right? I'll show you a magic trick. Put that in my pocket. That's crazy that a miner, man, that is crazy, bro. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Ain't no LMS and ain't no sale limits. Well, you know, half of that going to the BNB miner bot. Not, man, get that. Get your ass away from me. Bam, just that quick, baby. Just that quick, man. I don't know what today, man. I just know how to make money. Let's see what else we got going on. Well, how much I got? I got 10.2. Oh, where I'm gonna put it at? Man, this is the hardest part. This is so the game theory on this stuff is so crazy, bro. Like, so I think I'm gonna put it in the auto compound since I've been going into linear. So I've been going into linear. So I'm gonna go in the auto compound. Well, actually, I've been going to auto compound the past couple times. Linear. I don't know, man. I'm just, man, golly. You can't, ain't no bad answer in this, man. This farm is the best farm ever created, bro. I don't know how Forex are keeping these percentages up. I just don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I'm talking about collaborating. I don't want nobody else hands in the pot with your bright ideas. Hey, let's put LMS on the pigs. And nope. Stay right on over there where you at. We gonna stay on over here where we at. And see who win. And see, for me, it ain't never no hate. I don't hate nobody. I just know I'm just here for the money, bro. Anybody know Stunner? I'm here for the money. And so far, Forex Shark projects pay the most money. So what I'm supposed to say? I'm supposed to get personal and be mad because I don't like the way he sound on AMAs or something? Bro, that's 13-year-old girl stuff. This man coming up with this kind of stuff, bro, I'm with it. 171, baby. Y'all see? I came from nothing. Starting from the bottom of the hill. Hey. Starting from the bottom of the Humpty. Hey. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Let me jump on over here to Drip Garden. What I got? Oh, that boy, that's 100. Let me go and get that. Let me get that. I'm going to take that LP. And I'm going to add that 100 LP to my Drip BUSD in the farm, which is going to earn me dogs that I'm going to put in the dog pound, which is going to earn me pigs or BNB, whatever I choose, or liquidity pools. Bruh, you can't make this stuff up, bro. If I would explain this to you before, you would know I ain't the way it going to work. That ain't possible to get all this free money. Hey, man, Forex did it. He just did, bro. He just did. I'm showing it to you. Like, I ain't talking about it. I'm showing it. I show you everything I do, bro. You know, when I show it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so glad. I'm so happy with this farm. I be doing stuff off camera. What I got over here? There it is, 102. I'm finna go right over here to this farm. Some people say, I'm gonna do it and then go out and sell it. See your ass. What I got right here? Well, come on now. Come on. Forex done stole my beat. Oh, there it go. There it go. Well, I'm finna... Forex done stole my drip BNB. People love saying that stupid shit. But anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, enjoy that airdrop, guys. You know what I'm saying? Your boy still on here. Holla back at your boy, man. Give me the finger. Give me the finger.